Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Lieutenant Leroy. Welcome to another, and probably the last, PC build episode. So, figured out I did things in the wrong order, but we'll get to that in a minute. Here's everything. There it is. Alright, so today all we have left is the RAM, the solid state drive, and the hard drive, which is in a box right now. But so today we're just gonna put those in. It's probably gonna be like a much shorter episode than usual, unless I find any further complications. So I figured out that I did things in a little bit of the wrong order because I put the hydro cooling in before I put the RAM in, which means you're really supposed to put the RAM in like after you put the motherboard in the case. But how this case is built, I had to slide the shelf out holding the liquid cooling fans, I guess, and I forget what the fuck that's called. You know what I mean, the top part of it, the vent. I had to pull that out a little bit so that I can actually get to the damn clips, because they would be under it. I can't even get the damn clips undone. Hang on a second. Alright, screw it. The clips just don't want to come undone. So I'm gonna see. Fuck it. Whatever. Yeah, I really should have done this first. Boom. One's in. Alright, so apparently there weren't clips for this motherboard, which is rather strange. I've never seen this before. You don't actually unclip it. You just push it in, the clip kind of just snaps on. Like it's kind of like the pressure pushes the clip back and back on there, which is weird. Never seen that before. But maybe that's just a new thing. I don't know. I haven't built PCs in quite a while. Alright, there we go. The RAM is now in. Alright, there we go. The DDR3 is now in. Fan back in place. Now you gotta put damn SSD mounting thing. Now y'all are probably asking, why isn't he wearing static free stuff like clothing? Well, that would be because I figured, screw it. All I'm doing is plugging a couple things in. and then I'm done. So I didn't feel like messing with it. Keep that as the serial number. I'm not 100% sure what this is. All I know is that blocks the damn holes, so I'm not going to use it. Alright, now I just got to mount the SSD onto this little plate. It has little screw holes for it. And then slide it in, and then plug it up. Did they give screws for that? That is the question that I am wondering right now. I do believe they did. Boom. There's one. There's another. There's another. Number 4. Skadoosh. Now the thing is with this case, what they give you is this little piece right here. I'll actually show it to you. This little thing right here. And you can mount your SD card onto there and then pop it into place right there. But I don't feel like using that because it makes the cords, these SATA cords, hard to reach. Or, you know, hard to reach there. This needs to be pinned up. I'm now realizing how bad my cable management really was. Because I thought it was bad, but it's really bad. That can stay tucked back there because we don't quite need that yet. That will not be needed for quite a while. Slide that right in there. There's the power. And it's hard to reach there too. Shit. I'll fucking make it reach. I don't care. It's gonna reach, whether it wants to or not. This one could reach, but I'd rather use that for the bottom one. Oh yeah, that one can definitely reach. My cable management wasn't so shitty. It would be a much better fit. There we go. Awesome. See this? The problem is this is for a damn graphics card. Or you know what I mean, a video card. But I can't get a video card just yet. We're stuck with what we got for right now, with the internal graphics. That's why I got this kind of computer. Because I can use a laptop processor that comes with integrated graphics. That is just the best we can do for right now. Last part. A 1 terabyte hard drive. Damn. Alright, let's screw this one in. Wait, this gotta be. Hang on. What's this? No, that's the damn MSI shit. Corsair, EVGA, MSI. There we go. This says all I have to do is use these damn arms on the sides to lock it. But I'm gonna do more than that because I don't want this damn thing falling out or breaking in any way. I ain't fucking it up. If I had a real damn screwdriver, it might help. Script. Not something you want to say while building a computer. Boom. Not the prettiest sight. But you know what? It'll work. Awesome. So let's plug this bitch in and see what it does. Alright. There we go. TV's on. Took it long enough. Oh shit. Might help if I plugged it in. I know I put the cord here somewhere. Where is it? The main cord is here somewhere. Not quite long enough. Oh, hang on. Just barely long enough. Look at that. Blue lights and everything. Boom! As soon as I saw that, I was like, yes! A88XI-ACV2. That is my motherboard. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's about it. Yep, that's about it. So, I'm gonna continue messing with this. Thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Do what you do. See y'all in the next one. Peace.